Here's Tegan with her Farley biscuit. June 12th, 2009. Tegan's 30 weeks old today. And she's enjoying banging her Farley biscuit on her high chair. This is the first one she's ever had. She was biting on it a little bit. Now she's playing. She's looking at Daddy. Hi! What happened to your cookie? Are you gonna put it in your mouth? Num num num.
I think she's got it everywhere but her mouth.
There she goes.
Close. You're getting closer. You don't have to put it all in at once.
She likes it.
It's not quite the top of the enough. What's that on the end of your nose teeth?
Alright, Teague. That's it for now.